This cake is moist, it is sweet, and the sweetness literally melts in your mouth as you're having a piece of it. It is definitely something that I want you guys to try because it is worth the time and the energy as well. So, the first thing that you need to do is to grease your pan with margarine. Ensure that every part of that pan, the inside of it, is well greased. Once you've done that, sprinkle some wheat flour on the greased part and tap off the excess. Then put an ungreased paper so that the cake cannot stick on the pan. Next is your 3/4 cup of vegetable oil mixed with 1 cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. If you don't want it too sweet, leave the half cup of brown sugar. Changanya hiyo vizuri and then add in your 3 eggs one at a time. Make sure imechanganyika vizuri. Hapa ndio utatumia misuli kabisa. So until you see that the butter is turning creamish. Yes. So after that, ndio unaweka your essence. This time is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Hiyo unaweka alafu unachanganya and then weka 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Changanya, ensure that it is well incorporated into the butter. Once you've done that, next you're going to be putting in your mashed bananas. I used 4 mashed bananas. Ensure that the bananas are well ripe. Ile mpaka unaona ngozi inaenda kuturn black. That's the best one to use for a banana cake. Weka hiyo ndani, changanya vizuri, ensure it is well incorporated into the butter. Changanya kabisa kabisa mpaka uone imechanganyika vizuri. Then next you're going to be putting in your flour. Weka in 2 portions the flour. So inside the flour utakuwa ushaweka 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Changanya vizuri na weka maziwa yako 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Haya, weka maziwa pia in 2 portions just like the flour. Changanya vizuri here. You don't overdo it because if you overdo it, your cake yako itasink if you overmix the flour. Alright? So weka vizuri, weka the other portion na weka hiyo maziwa ingine. Changanya vizuri pole pole, just like the way you songa your ugali. Ensure that imechanganyika vizuri, slow but sure. Alright? Then as we get to this part, utakuwa already usha preheat oven yako into 350 degrees Celsius. Weka into your pan, ready to bake. Sawa sawa, weka the butter into your pan, ready to bake. Haya, once you finish that, tap off the excess air in the butter. Alafu sasa hii ni hack yenye nitawaambia so that the cake can bake when it is flat, haina ile milima. Weka serviettes inside a foil, alafu put around the pan, okay? The serviettes should be wet, and the cake is now ready. Ndio hiyo nakata. It was so sweet. We really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy it as well. You and your family, alright? Na mkisha jaribu, just tell me that you tried it, so that I can know as well. Bye until next time. See ya.